Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Wattpad account on Android and iOS devices. Wattpad is a social storytelling platform where users connect with your favorite writers, read and write original stories. It encourages the creators of the platform to write stories that could end up being published by Wattpad or turned into movie or series by their studio. Although unique in its own sense, Wattpad is one of the hundreds of the social networks available to people and with so much to consume. It's normal for users to switch platforms when they don't find suitable media for consumptions on one. So if you're thinking about permanently deleting your Wattpad account, you have come to the right video. But before you begin the process, you should know that closing your Wattpad account will free up your current username, which can then be used by someone else to create a new account with the same username, and you won't be able to restore your original account after that. However, you can restore your account by signing in again. Once you have permanently deleted your Wattpad account, in addition to your username, you will lose access to your libraries, read list, private and public messages, comments, and even personal written works. And you can only delete your Wattpad account either on your PC or a web browser on your smartphone. The option isn't available on the Android and iOS applications. So in order to do that, watch this video and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on your mobile device, then tap on it to open and search for Wattpad. Then go to the Wattpad and tap on it. Now in order to log in, you need to go to the login option and tap on it. On the space, go to login option and tap on it. Now you need to enter your username or email and password in order to log into your Wattpad account. Once you have entered the username and password, go to the login option and tap on it. Now choose to open with browser. Once you are logged into your Wattpad account, the first thing you need to do is go to the top right corner of your screen and tap onto the three horizontal dots. With the provided option, go to the desktop site and tap on it. By doing that, it changes your mobile compatible site into the desktop site, and your page will look something like this. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the arrow right next to your profile icon. Tap on it. Now click on Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you are on the settings page, go to the bottom of the screen and here you can see Customize. So in order to delete your Wattpad account, go to the Close Account options and tap on it. As it directs you to the confirmation page asking you if you are sure you want to close your account. So you need to go to the reasons and choose any. I would go to I have a problem with my account. And on the bottom box you can write anything that could make the Wattpad experience better than what you had. So once you have filled up the information, go to the Yes I'm sure, please close my account and tap on it. Now you need to enter your password in order to confirm that you want to close your account. Now once you have entered your password, go to the Close Account option and tap on it. By tapping on it, you land onto the login page of Wattpad, which means you have now successfully deleted your account on Wattpad. And if you are having second thoughts after deleting your Wattpad account, as I have mentioned before, you can reactivate it by simply logging back into your Wattpad application. So that was it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.